Friends and comrades, at the outset, I would like to congratulate, sincerely appreciate the All-Party Parliamentary Group for Tamils and the British Tamil Forum for the commendable work campaign in support of the Tamils, and also for their very timely initiative to call for this international meeting. Friends, what happened in Sri Lanka was a genocide of Tamil people. We have never witnessed such a genocide in any part of the world, in the contemporary world, in the contemporary history. It was a genocide. What is happening today is genocide in multifarious forms. I call it a structural genocide of Tamils continues in Sri Lanka. My party has been fighting, campaigning against this, not only inside Parliament, but outside Parliament. Being a national political party in India, my party has taken up this issue at national level. My party has categorically demanded there must be an independent international investigation into war crimes and the violation of human rights in Sri Lanka. We have made it very clear. India is the immediate neighbor for Sri Lanka. India has a moral responsibility, ethical responsibility. My party has been questioning the role of India in what happened in Sri Lanka. My party has been asking the government of India to recast its policy towards Sri Lanka. It cannot pursue the same policy when such a massacre is taking place, genocide is taking place in Sri Lanka. It is not just an emotional issue for us. It is a political, moral issue. It is a diplomatic issue. It is an issue on which India must take a clear-cut stand. Our government took a stand in supporting the Geneva resolution. Even at that point of time, my party questioned the government. It is India should have taken up the initiative for a much more stronger resolution. Even this resolution can be strengthened by an active intervention by India. But we hope that Government of India in the coming days will have to change its positions clearly in favor of Sri Lankan, in favor of Tamils. And as a political party, we have been campaigning and will continue to campaign. And while I demand an international, impartial, independent inquiry, investigation into war crimes and violation of human rights, our party supports a meaningful political solution to the Tamil people, and that political solution which is acceptable to the Tamils of Sri Lanka, whether they live in Sri Lanka or they live outside Sri Lanka. And we are for such a solution which is acceptable by the people. And friends, I do not intend to make a speech here, but I must reiterate my party stand. My party is committed to the cause of Sri Lankan Tamils, and we were with the Tamils of Sri Lanka in the past, and we are with the people, Tamil people of Sri Lanka today, and we will continue to be with the people of Sri Lanka, the Tamil people of Sri Lanka. That is the assurance I can give you. As a political party, we will continue to campaign and we will continue to mobilize the public opinion in India We will continue to mobilize the opinion, international opinion, in favor of Sri Lankan Tamils. With these words, I conclude, and I hope this conference will be a meaningful, a milestone in the struggle of Tamils of Sri Lanka for their genuine aspirations, legitimate rights and demands. I broadly endorse the resolution proposed here, and let us hope for better future, a bright future for Sri Lankan Tamils in the coming days. Thank you very much.